Hey, Josh here, and in this video, I want to discuss with you some tips on how to find and identify your audience for your product and affiliate marketing. Now, before I share these tips with you, let me share a statement with you that you never want to forget. The business that knows their customer better than everybody else always wins. And why is that? Because you can't get traffic if you don't know how to speak and communicate with your perfect customer. Okay, here's tip or step number one. You have to identify your audience. Who are the people that are interested in the product or the course you're promoting? And speak to them only. This sounds crazy, I know, but you want to focus on them and build KLT with them. If you want to know more about what KLT is, which is K is the know, L is the like, and T is the trust. There's another video on our channel you can check out that goes into more detail on that. But you want to focus on just that group only to build the KLT. Here's the fact of the matter. Everybody else you want to ignore. Now, as you're building your audience or building your group, you want to identify their pains, their frustrations, and their self-doubts. So you want to find out what is their pain, what is their problems, what are their struggles, what gives them anxiety, what are they fearful of, what keeps them up at night. Tip number 3. You have to understand their dreams, their visions, their goals. In other words, what do they want to achieve through this program or through this product you're offering them? Also, as well, why is it important for them to use this product or invest in this course or, to understand how that can help them to reach their dreams, their visions, and their goals? And how will achieving that desired dream or result or goal affect their lives and affect their families' lives as well? Okay, here's step number 4. Tip number 4, you have to know their fears. In other words, what are they afraid of? And why do they feel like they can't achieve what they want to accomplish, the result or the goal or the vision on their own? Now, once you know their fears and their visions and their ambitions and their goals, then you understand what you can encourage them with as far as if the product you're promoting can help them in accomplishing what they want to accomplish, or if it's not for them. Now remember, you want to focus on helping people, not making money. Because when you focus on making money, you don't make money. But when you focus on just helping people, that's when you make money. So the product you're promoting might be good for them, and then again, it might not. But when you keep that open mind and that perspective on it, you're going to build that relationship with that KLT. You're going to find your audience. And remember, find your audience, the ones interested in that product, and then ignore everybody else, because there's going to be those that you're going to find that are going to show interest in the product, but when they realize there's maybe work involved in it or there's more to it than they thought, they're going to kind of just stray away and fade away. So you want to focus on the ones that are really in it, not just for the long haul, but also to just build a business out of it or that product you're promoting. Hey, everyone, I hope this has been helpful. How to find your audience, identify them. Listen, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when we put out new content. Also, like or dislike this video. Either way, comment below if you have any questions. Share this video. And also, too, we have a Facebook group titled Prospering in Your Purpose as well. You can check out on Facebook, and you can get an invite into that if you want to be a part of that group to understand more about the products we promote and the marketing business that we're running. So I encourage you to take these tips from this video, go out there and apply them to the different platforms you're working with your business on, the products you're promoting. Find your audience, build the KLT with your group, and watch your business take off. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.